dream a lot of things in my life. You dream, I dream, they dream, we dream. Cause you don't be satisfied for what we have. We have different dreams in our life. We dream of getting rich, being famous, being scholar.
Assalamu alaikum guys, I hope you're doing well. So in this video we will see the Arabic vocabulary words for electronics. So let's get started. Bismillah. So the first word we have is tilfaz. Tilfaz, television. Tilfaz, television. Media, radio. Media, radio. Media, radio. Ala حاسبة آلة حاسبة calculator. حاسوب حاسوب computer. حاسوب حاسوب computer. هاتف هاتف telephone. شعشع شعشع screen. So let's get started. Let's recap once again. Tilfaz, television. Media, radio. آلة حاسبة, calculator. Hasub, computer. Hatif, telephone. Shasha, screen. So these were the vocabulary words for electronics in Arabic, and I will see you guys in another video. Until next time, Assalamu alaikum.
How much I obtain, so my dream for Jannah grows day by day, and I pray to Allah to guide me all the way till I make it to His paradise. The home of
my biggest dreams to see you.